Hey guys, welcome to another exciting tutorial. I'll show you how to do screen recording with sound on an iPhone. I've been struggling with this one here. I've watched a few tutorials, but it didn't solve my problem. So I thought to myself that other people might be having the same issue. So how you record your screen on an iPhone with sound activated is like this. First of all, you need to slide and bring up the control center. If yours looks slightly different than mine, don't worry, it's because I had changed this accessory and scene you added in the home will appear here under settings. But you'll see this recording button here, and mine is recording right now, but before it wasn't recording with sound. So what I did is I pressed and kept pressing on the record button, that's the 3D press, and then you'll see the microphone option that will appear. So if you don't have sound, it's because the microphone is turned off. Let me show you how you can do it. Turn back on. Now it's back on, and I think it's recording my sound now. Thank you guys for watching. That's how you do it. Basically, you do a 3D press on the record button, then the microphone symbol will appear and you need to activate your microphone. After that, you're ready to go, and you can now do a screen recording with all your sounds being recorded. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helped you.